Hi, I'm Kim, and if protecting your vehicle's great looks and resale value are important to you, I've got 4 quick facts you might find interesting. Fact number 1, none of the manufacturers warranty your vehicle's paint or interior against things proven to cause issues with your vehicle's appearance. This information can be found in the warranty booklet or owner's manual of the vehicle that you're purchasing. Like millions of others, you probably eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner in your vehicle, which means your interior can be exposed to stains from things like this. Or this. Or this. And things like acid rain, tree sap, decaying insects, UV damage from the sun, and de-icing materials are all real things that can harm your vehicle's paint. Oh yeah, and birds too. But it's not the manufacturer's fault. They make great environmentally safe paint, which makes a beautiful car, but it's softer and more susceptible to damage. As a matter of fact, when some vehicles are shipped from the factory to the dealership, they are covered in a white protective wrap. Fact 2. We offer the SmartShield warranty program, featuring ArmorAll products, one of the world's most trusted automotive protective brands. The SmartShield warranty program uses 3 unique protectants for your vehicle. For your paint, we apply an exceptional chemistry called polysilazane. Polysilazane reacts with hydrogen and oxygen to create a glass-like coating on top of your paint surface, protecting it from harmful conditions and keeping it looking beautiful. For your fabric seats, carpeting, and floor mats, an innovative water-based chemistry that makes staining nearly impossible and cleanup a breeze, guaranteed. And for your leather, we offer an acrylic coating, which creates a stain-proof barrier, keeping your seats spotless. These great chemistries are designed to offer long-term protection and are only available through select authorized dealers.
Can I help the next person in line?
Fact 3. We're so confident in our chemistry that if you get any damage to your vehicle's interior or paint, we'll cover 100% parts and labor to repair and replace any damage at zero deductible. And if you need a rental car, we'll provide you one for up to 10 days at $50 a day. Fact 4. Beautiful paint and a spotless interior make for a great vehicle while you own it, and make it worth more when you sell or trade it in. 2 of the country's leading sources on vehicle values make this point perfectly clear. It's common sense. If it looks great, it's worth more. So to protect your vehicle's great looks and resale value, the SmartShield warranty program featuring ArmorAll is a smart program for you to consider. Enjoy your new car.